Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and Amanda at Your Creative Studio asked me to show you the new March kit for planners and crafters. So she always gives a special note. Do you like to keep physical tickets as a piece of memory in your journal? Yes, I have a box, my little Hope Chest box, full of all the concert tickets I've gone to, and plays and musicals and special events. So I can't wait. The ticket to me is like a key to open up the door of that particular memory of that journey. So thank you, Amanda. Let's get into it. And she curates a lot of this stuff, and then some of it she makes. So here's some really cool papers. Now these, I don't know if, I'm not sure. I know she makes a lot of the tickets and the stickers and stuff. So this is really cool paper. I think I'm going to go like this and put the goodies so you can see. Oh, these are cool. And what's cool is, as I've said before, a lot of like Tim Holtz or Unity, a lot of the different companies' products will go really well with what she finds. So here's some cool tickets, and you can write in if you want. Very cool. And you know what I wish? I think what I'm going to do is make a little, I did some stuff on her other boxes, but I want to do like, make a traveler's notebook insert for this one. Cool. Ooh, these are really cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like a vellum. The whole book. Oh, that's cool. Really neat. The Beatles, February 12th. When they were coming, I begged, they were coming to Chicago, and I begged, and which is not close, but I didn't know when I was little. I think I was 3 or 4. I begged my brother to take me. And he goes, well, I can't, but I'll take you to the movie. So he took me to, I think it was Help. No, A Hard Day's Night. I don't know, I'll have to think. Or figure it out, because it was one of them. Anyways, these are awesome. Super cool. As a standalone, or you can make a little collage with them. So there's that. Oh, I never can pick right. I never can figure out which one to pick. So these are... Ooh! Oh, cool. They're like little checks. That's cool. Very cool. I'm going to try to get them back in the bag. Receipts. Cool. Those are, oh, that's really cool. Fun. And where's my card? Oh, yeah, I think Amanda's in, is it out west or east? Yeah, Niagara Falls. Ooh, what's that? A bookmark. What is that? It's really delicate. Ooh, is that pretty? Ooh, it's super Paris. Super, super delicate. That's focusing. That's really pretty. Oh. So get that back in there so I don't lose it. Then, ooh, I like this little pocket. That in itself is cool. That I'm gonna keep. And then just some cool ephemera. These are really nice. These are just really perfect for collaging and mixed media. I like the little boxes for later. Nordic Round. Those are nice. Cool. Oh, they fold in half. Yeah, they could tear. Oh, perforation and tear. Cool. Here's some washi. That's nice washi. Very pretty. And receipt files. Oh, here's all of them. They're nice. They're all different sizes. That's nice too. And a cute, cool stamp. These are like the best little stamps to have. Little ticket stamps. Or, yeah, stamp. New York bus ticket. Cool. And this is, oh, cool. Oh, that's cute, like a little memo. Cool. And washi. So I'll do, my next video, I'll do some journaling. Perfect timing for staying home all this time, as I'm sure everybody is. So, they're perforated. Oh, there we go. So that's cool. It's not washi, it's more stickers. Cool, fun. So that's fun. Then we'll have to tape that down somehow. So there's that cool kit. And if you're interested, I will put the link down below. Her kits are really fun, and I cannot wait to get going on this. And I will show that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks, Amanda. Bye.